In this video, I'll show you how to use a mechanical pencil. You already have it refilled. If you need to know how to get the refills, I have another video for that. This is the Big Reaction 2 0.7mm mechanical pencil, and you press on the end here. You press on the end here to make the refill come out, and then you can press it. While pressing on this side, you can put back the refill. Yeah, so this is how it works. Okay, so this is the mechanical pen here, and when I press on it, I will open. I will open the pen just enough to start writing on it. Something like this. Two clicks should be enough. Then get a piece of paper as it is. This is the I forgot how to write really. These days we really need to have a tutorial on how to actually handwrite. So that's how you use a mechanical pencil. You can buy the refills. This is 0.7. The refills will be written on the pen, on the mechanical pencil, which one you need. You actually don't need too many refills. One refill should be enough for a long time. Thanks for watching.